Here we are in mid-chapter 1 review, exercises numbers 20 through 25. Here we're supposed to find the final result. It could be addition or subtraction or multiplication. Let's look at them. Number 20. So the cost is $248, and then the discount means subtract. So we are going to subtract 248, subtract, let me see, line up the decimal, 47.79. Yeah, if we're going to be subtracting, we should fill this out, 0.00. Okay, so we're going to cancel that. Oh, 0 minus 9, we can't. We need to borrow. Oh, we can't. So we need to borrow from this one. That makes that a 10. That now is big enough to borrow from. That's a 9, and that makes that a 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So this is going to be, we're in dollars and cents, so make sure dollars gets on your answer. It's $200.21. Okay, next one. The temperature is negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to go warmer, which is a plus. So that is plus 18.7. Now notice that these are opposite signs, the negative and the positive. So that means we're going to put the strongest one on top, 18.7, and subtract that 15. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's 3.7 degrees. Positive is stronger, so it's a positive 3.7 degrees Fahrenheit. So it came up from negative 15, went all the way up to 0, and then 3.7 degrees further. Okay, number 22, the altitude is 1,300, and then it subtracts, that's a fall, so it fell down 558. We're going to subtract then. So 0 minus 8, we can't, so we borrow. We can't borrow from 0, so we go clear over here. That becomes a 2. That's a 10. Now it's big enough to borrow from, which is 9, 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 5 is too small. That's a 0. And that's a 1. 12 minus 5 is 7. And the strongest between those two is positive. So positive 742, and in this case it's meters high. Number 23. The cost is $687. And now this is a tax. Tax is added on after the cost. So this is plus 45.74. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1, leave the 2 down there. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 4 is 13. And then carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Decimal comes straight down, so it's a total final price of $732.74. Okay, next one, number 24. If there's a temperature of 52 degrees and it's 28.4 degrees colder, colder means subtract. So this is 52 minus 28.4. Okay. And the strongest one's on top already. Good. Put a 0 there. 0 minus 4, we can't do that. Borrow from the 2. There's one of those left. Makes 10. Subtract 4 is 6. 1 minus 8, we can't do that, so borrow from the 5, and that leaves a 4 there, and it's 11 minus 8 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, 23.6, because the decimal comes straight down, degrees Celsius, and that's the final temperature. Good. Then the altitude is 3,100 meters. And the rise means to add to it. So we're going to add 25.3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 0 is 3. And there's the decimal. So we are at 3125.3 meters. We didn't have to carry or borrow or even add any numbers together. That's very interesting. Good.